G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. In this video, me and my friend Charlie take on an extreme hill challenge at the Mt Kembla motocross complex. We weren't supposed to take on this hill challenge, but Charlie missed the left-hand side turn to the track as he didn't see it and decided to take on this hill. When I saw Charlie take this on, I thought, Charlie, what are you doing? Are you crazy? So after Charlie had his attempt, I thought to myself, oh well, I may as well have a go as well. Charlie is on a KTM EXC250F and I was riding my motocross RMZ250. I've seen many people take on this hill challenge on YouTube, and some make it and some don't. I've seen lots of bikes being broken on this hill too. Was certainly not planning on taking on this hill. I was going to do the trail, which was about 5 or 6 Ks, because we're only going to do half of it. So yeah, wasn't expecting this hill. So let's get started.
Is this the start of it?
Yeah.
No, we'll finish here.
And we'll come out here. Try this bit.
Oh yeah, well, there you go. Charlie, you crazy? No! I knew that was coming. What are you thinking? Oh man! Oh, that's... Oh, what on earth was he thinking? Oh man! Did you hurt yourself?
Hey?
Did you hurt yourself?
Nah.
What are you doing?
I think we come around, I thought, is this taking us back?
I've seen people on YouTube try and do this and fucking come off.
Bullshit, fuck, I've got a fair way. I just slowed down.
1 second I thought, fuck, is he going to make it? And then I thought, nah. You should have seen you. You can barely walk up this thing, Charlie. What are you thinking? Far out, I'm going to be dead by the time I get this bike down here. Crawling up like a bloody goat. Far out. Far out. Far out. Far out.
Fucking straight.
Did you hit your knee? Alright, she won't stop going.
Wants to go, doesn't it?
Are you hurt?
Oh, they're right before, and now it's fucking... This one's fucking... Where's the track go?
Down there.
Is it? Oh, you dickhead. I've looked straight at it and seen that. Oh, this time's serious?
I got around to here and I'm thinking, no, Charlie.
Where does that get you where we
It
started?
goes back to where we were.
Yeah, right.
It's pretty wild, but
Huh?
it's wild.
Yeah.
As soon as you got that far, I think I might try it.
Give it a crack, yeah. You got it all on film?
See how I go on that hill. Yes! It wasn't easy. Don't get much runoff either. It's not easy. And there's a false summit as well. You think you're there and then you go, oh no, there's some more.
When you're up on top, you mate.
Yeah, it's a false summit. You think you're at the top and then there's some more. Are you heading back or do you want to continue?
Look, I think it's not coming
head back and fix it up.
Huh?
You have to head back and fix it up.
Yeah.